Hello and welcome to Goldsmith's Library and a basic introduction to literature online. I'd like to start on the library homepage. All our databases are on the A to Z list of e-resources and also the subject guides. So I'm going to go into the English and Comparative Literature subject guide. Then on the database tab I'll scroll down to Lion. Proquest Lion is a full-text database with the texts of over 355,000 literary works, plus criticism and reference resources from 1500 to 2008. There's a basic and advanced search, much like other databases, and in a minute I'll do an example of an advanced search. You can also search in one of four categories. Criticism, which is mainly journal articles, primary texts for poetry, prose and drama, author pages and reference works. And there's more information below about these four categories in the panes. There are also some supplementary audio-visual collections at the bottom of the page: Shakespeare audio plays, Poets on Screen, and Poetry Archive audio. Another way to search is to change databases at the top. There are actually 16 subject categories making up the Lion core collection. These are the ones with the blue ticked boxes. And other Proquest databases that we subscribe to are on the list with the unticked boxes, and these include Caribbean literature, Latino literature, and linguistics collection, amongst others. So I'm going to go back now to the advanced search. The search also includes access to ABEL, the Annual Bibliography of English Language and Literature, which is part of the criticism content. So I've put in a few keywords here: Stoker, as in Bram Stoker, Dracula, and food. And you can narrow down a search by choosing which part of the record to search. For example, the word in the title, which is what I've done here with Dracula. But I'll keep the search like this for now. And here in the results we have 13 items, 12 articles in the criticism category, and one primary text. This should be a full text version of the Dracula novel. Going back to the results, the first article looks interesting: Meeting Dracula, Food and Death in Stoker's Novel, in a journal called Gothic Studies. So I'll have a look at that, and there's a full text PDF and a download PDF option. And usually there are print and save options on the top right. Back on the previous page, there's also a cite option where you can choose different citation styles. We've got MLA here, but I could change that to Harvard, for example. And next to that, there's an option where you can email results to yourself. I'm just going to go back to the beginning. You You can also search a category called publications. So if I wanted to search for, let's say, Cambridge Companions, so 301 publications in the Cambridge Companion series have come up, and these should each have a PDF for each chapter. Publications also allows you to search particular formats or sources, for example, encyclopedias and reference works. There are 36 here, dictionaries, directories and encyclopedias. And this list includes the Cambridge Concise Oxford English Dictionary. So that's a basic introduction to literature online. If you'd like to see any further guides, you can go to Proquest LibGuides, where they have literature databases, including video guides to Lion. And if you have any further inquiries about literature resources at Goldsmiths, please feel free to contact me as your subject librarian. Thank you.